Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever faced the Zoom error code 3256000? It's a pesky little bugger that creeps up when you're trying to join a meeting or sign into your Zoom account. The error typically reads, "An unknown error occurred." Frustrating, isn't it? But worry not, there are ways to squish this bug. This error isn't specific to any platform and can occur on both computers and phones. Interestingly, our research indicates that most users who encounter this issue happen to be using CenturyLink modems or routers. Our first fix is to switch between networks. The issue in many cases is with establishing the connection. Using an alternate network, such as a different Wi-Fi or hotspot, to connect initially and then switching back to your default network seems to bypass the error. Give it a shot and see if it helps. If switching networks doesn't resolve the issue, the next step involves a little bit of patience. Try shutting down your device along with your router or modem and then try reconnecting to Zoom. It's important to give this a good 4 or 5 tries before moving on to other solutions. For those of you running Docker, turning it off might just be the solution. One user in the Zoom community found that the error disappeared once they stopped running Docker. If none of the above solutions work, it's time to get a bit technical. Try changing your MTU setting under your hardware settings for your Wi-Fi adapter. You can do this by visiting your Wi-Fi adapter settings and changing the settings under the hardware options. And finally, if all else fails, it's time to reach out for help. Create a support ticket with Zoom to report the issue and get further assistance. In the meantime, if you have an urgent meeting or task to perform on Zoom, try connecting over a mobile hotspot or an alternate Wi-Fi connection. To recap, we've covered 5 potential solutions to the Zoom error code 3256000. These include switching networks, restarting your devices, turning off Docker if you're running it, changing your MTU setting, and reaching out to Zoom support. Remember, this error isn't insurmountable. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.